Dyno decking. How to install aluminium joists. For optimal structural integrity, follow these guidelines when spacing the aluminium joists. Position the aluminium joists precisely at 300 mm centers across your area with supports at every 1200 mm. Along the perimeter, integrate additional joists using joist hangers. Ensure a strong attachment with rivets. Then, affix vertical joist pieces securely to the existing framework using metal brackets and rivets. By meticulously adhering to these instructions, you'll establish a stable framework that serves as the foundation for your decking project, ensuring both longevity and reliability.